Today I got a bird whose name is National Bird of Bangladesh Duel, which is very fantastic and it eats insects from the nature and it prevents many deceitful animal in the nature. It's the National Bird of Bangladesh Duel. Really, looking is very great. Duel, National Bird of Bangladesh. Really great. A great, a great, a great bird of Bangladesh. Wow, wow, wow. I think that her leg was the something and he hurt me in the stone, so he cannot fly. She cannot fly. She hurt me. Something wrong. I also think that the part is pain from the stone or something, and the small kids or small someone who hurts the parts. He cannot fly in the sky, and I think this is the kids and the small part. Wow, 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 wow! Great. He wants to go out and playing, but he cannot. Trying their duel. Shallow. Wow, her great looking attract me.